What's happening, guys? मेरा नाम है हर्ष and thank you so much for joining us once again on Not So Harsh. Lately एक सुपर हीरो मूवी है that is generating a lot of great buzz in Indian cinema and उस मूवी के बारे में जो मेरे को सुनने में आ रहा था I was very fascinated कि what has come out because ये एक मलयालम सुपर हीरो मूवी है. It is not something that has come out of your traditional Bollywood and apparently the reviews were great. The visualization, the stylization, the entire superhero angle mixed with some sort of folklore and thriller mystery elements and मेरे को सुनने में बहुत ज़्यादा positive reactions and reviews मिल रहे थे so I had to go check this out myself. I am talking about no other movie but Loka Chapter 1. This is a Malayalam fantasy thriller superhero movie and ये movie मैं अंदर जब गया था movie के लिए obviously I had already heard a lot of positive buzz and chatter but मैं expectations अपनी तब भी temper करके गया था because I did not know what I was getting into. All I knew that इनका budget बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं था. I think 25 से 30 करोड़ का इस movie का budget था. And let me say that this movie, I can understand why it is garnering so much positive attention, so much positive buzz already. ये movie को पता है अपने plot को, अपने budget को, अपने actors को कैसे properly utilize करना है, which a lot of these bigger Bollywood movies that we see being made for 250 crores, 400 crores, उनको भी नहीं आता. So a big shout out to that and now we're going to get into the overall review for the movie. प्लॉट ऑफ द मूवी फॉलो करता है तीन लॉन्डो को who have just come out of college. वो अपनी जॉब्स कर रहे हैं, they're living together, have a great dynamic as friends, something that is very realistic, something that will actually bring you in and make you realize that this is very authentic, the kind of relationship and the friendship that they share. And उनके मोहल्ले में there is this new girl next door that moves in who they all start crushing a little on and they start want to trying to be friends with her, but little do they know that there is something very mysterious going on with that lady and there is more to her than meets the eye. The director Dominic Arun, I have not followed his previous work, but here he really understands the role and exactly what he needs to be able to bring out from the overall plot and from all of his characters that are on screen. Ye movie is a very fun superhero movie with a very interesting folklore twist that links back to Indian mythology in some shape or form. And this is something that is very new and interesting in this genre because हम इस type के twists इस genre में कम देखते हैं, at least within Indian cinema. So I'm really glad that they chose something that we can really bring back to our roots and our culture. And उसको उन्होंने एक सुपर हीरो स्पिन देने की कोशिश करी है and they have not held back in any shape or form. The movie की script, the world building, everything that you see and how the overall story also plays out, all of that is done really well. Performances के मामले में भी मैंने ये movie हिंदी डब में देखी है because मैंने I think I saw it after 4 or 5 days of it actually being released and by then already बहुत ज़्यादा positive buzz मिलने लग गया था. इससे पहले I think only मलयालम के shows लगे हुए थे इसके movie के but luckily I was able to catch the Hindi dub and even the Hindi dub does not disappoint. कहीं पे भी आपको ये नहीं लगता है कि the dubbing is not correct, it is not landing right, it seems off. It I think merges into the overall movie very organically and the kind of dialogues that they've used, the comedy scenes, the thriller scenes, the action scenes, all of them work really well because the dubbing actors have also done a great job. They have not held anything back from the overall screenplay. हमारे lead के performances, whether it's the main boy or it is the main girl and also the villain, even when he is on screen, he has been given that presence that commands your attention. जब वो screen पे होते हैं उनके you can understand that he is already pissed off about something. Or every time the villain is on screen, there is this personal background score that is going on that really kind of helps create a solid substance for him in the movie as well. Similarly, like I've already said, our main leads also have a very interesting chemistry, very innocent, very nice, and very, very candidly fleshed out. This is the kind of fascination or crush that we've encountered in our college lives. And उसको on screen बहुत अच्छे से portray किया गया है. There is a lot of naivety to it, but obviously, this being a superhero and a thriller, there are also some elements of horror and thriller that kind of start coming up after the main reveals have already taken place. Movie का soundtrack इतना ज़्यादा energize कर देता है पूरे run time को that at no point do you feel that you are getting bored. Movie का visual stylization, the usage of all the music and how exactly sound needed to kind of be a big part of all of this. And in terms of how the framing and the directing of the overall movie and some main really cool shots had to be done, the director really understood the job and the task at hand. This does not actually feel like a director who has not done stuff before. He feels like एक मंजे हुए खिलाड़ी जिनको exactly पता है वो उनको क्या करना है. There are some very cool transitions from scene to scene as well. So this is definitely one director that I think at least in Malayalam cinema we should definitely keep an eye out for. And this overall movie has been produced by Dulquer Salmaan and उनका भी एक छोटा सा काफी interesting cameo है towards the end. So make sure you don't miss out on that. सबसे ज्यादा मेरा माइंड ब्लो देख के ये हुआ है that even the action scenes seem so nice and grounded. उनकी प्रॉपर कोरियोग्राफी करी गई है. there are obviously some VFX and CGI that they have tried incorporating in some of them, and वो कहीं कहीं पे it does not seem as polished, it does not seem like the superhero movies we're used to seeing from Hollywood. But in terms of the kind of movies and the kind of sequences that हमें Bollywood से भी देखने को मिलते हैं, this definitely seems a notch above that. They have really utilized their budget well. Their actors have actually dedicated themselves to bring out their action personas for all these action scenes. It actually does a lot of justice to a lot of fun cameos that are also there in the movie. I think the cameos are going to be really surprising. Movie आपको परोस के थाली पे नहीं दे देती कि कौन कौन सा character play कर रहा है and who will become what in this overall universe. But you will be able to recognize some famous names and some famous faces on screen जब वो आते हैं as cameos. And even the characterization of some characters who are now going to be key in the future of this overall universe बहुत interesting and बहुत fun तरीके में दिखाया है. It will be very cool to see where they take these characters next. There are obviously some small nitpicks and some small things that don't work for the movie. मूवी एकदम परफेक्ट मूवी ऑब्वियसली नहीं है, एंड देयर वर सम थिंग्स जो इन्होंने प्लॉट पॉइंट की तरह स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द मूवी में सेटअप करे थे जिनका क्लोजर हमें प्रॉपर्ली नहीं मिला. देयर वाज दिस ऑर्गन ट्रेडिंग का एक सिनेरियो, एंड विदाउट गिविंग यू एनी स्पॉयलर्स दिस इज समथिंग दैट द विलन्स आर डूइंग, बट ये कहां से सेटअप होता है एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इसके ऊपर कोई हमें क्लोजर नहीं मिलता है. एंड सेकेंडली ऑल्सो जिस तरीके से आपको फाइनल शोडाउन आपका दिखाया जाता है, द फाइनल फाइट बिटवीन द हीरो एंड द विलन, एक बहुत ही जनरल ट्रोप है फ्रॉम द सुपर हीरो मूवीज दैट इज यूटिलाइज्ड हियर इज वेल, एंड आप उसको जैसे देखोगे यू विल कॉल इट आउट. सो मे बी नॉट द बेस्ट यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ व्हाट दे कुड डू फ्रॉम द स्क्रिप्ट, बट दिस बीइंग द फर्स्ट मूवी एंड द अमाउंट ऑफ थिंग्स इट गेट्स राइट इज व्हाई दिस इज गेटिंग सो मच पॉजिटिव अटेंशन, इज व्हाई इट इज गेटिंग सो मच पॉजिटिव बज़. अगर अपने फाइनल थॉट्स देने लगूं आपको इस मूवी के ऊपर, देन आई वुड डेफिनेटली रेकमेंड दैट यू चेक इट आउट. अगर अभी थिएटर्स में नहीं, स्पेशली इफ यू आर अ फैन ऑफ सुपर हीरो मूवीज, देन एटलीस्ट वंस इट्स आउट ऑन OTT, बट इट इज डेफिनेटली अ रियली गुड वॉच एंड इट विल कीप यू वेरी इंटरेस्टेड एंड glued to the overall screenplay. Obviously we have seen a lot of new cinematic universes that are coming out, whether that is from the South Indian industry या फिर आपकी बॉलीवुड से ही क्यों ना हो. आप अपनी स्त्री यूनिवर्स को भी देख लो. आई हैव अ फीलिंग दैट जिस तरीके से इस मूवी की फर्स्ट एंट्री ने अपने आप को पोजीशन किया है, इट हैज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टार्ट एंड आई डेफिनेटली फील दिस इज समथिंग दैट दे कैन रियली बिल्ड आउट ऑन. द कैरेक्टर्स एंड द कैमियोज दैट दे हैव स्प्रिंकल्ड थ्रू आउट द मूवी, जो वर्ल्ड बिल्डिंग इन्होंने बहुत डिस्क्रीटली एंड बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से कर ली है, विल एक्चुअली रियली हेल्प शेप एंड फॉर्म द ओवरऑल यूनिवर्स. एंड इट फील्स लाइक इस मूवी का ऑलरेडी सी एक प्रॉपर प्लान है बिफोर इट बीइंग कॉल्ड अ यूनिवर्स. इट इज नॉट समथिंग कि इन्होंने पहली मूवी बनाई और ऐलान कर दिया कि ये यूनिवर्स है. इनका ऑलरेडी प्लान है कि कौन सा कैरेक्टर कहां जाएगा, बिकॉज देयर आर सम कैरेक्टर्स हियर व्हिच वी will definitely be following in the future as well. So it's going to be very interesting to see where they take us with the next sequel and the next entries within Loka. This movie does a lot of things right that a lot of big masala mass entertainers from even Bollywood don't get right, which is why kudos to the director, kudos to the entire crew that has worked on the overall movie, and I'm really excited to see where they take us next. If you've liked this movie, अगर आपने देख लिया है, let us know in the comments below, guys. What did you think about the folklore elements? What did you think about the superhero angle and our characters? Did you like the overall movie? What do you think your thoughts are for the upcoming sequels and the entries within this universe? Like, share, and subscribe, guys. And as always, we will be back with a lot more content. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bounce up on a Tuesday night. Straight legs home like a neon light. Got a story, but I keep it tight. Not so harsh, not so bright.